around Breckenridge, then right at the stop sign.
See smoke anywhere?
Not yet.
Yeah, I see smoke. Thought I saw some smoke. Water buried?
Right. Court's right here on the right.
Yeah, you three were on Whitehall. Aurora Police! Anybody in here? Aurora Police! See how you three, I just forced the front door. We're doing a quick sweep to see if anybody's home.
I'll check upstairs. Aurora Police!
Hold the airport.
Where's the... Jake, if that smoke gets bad, get out. Where's this dog at? Got him. Hey, buddy, come on. Come on. Come here, buddy. Come here.
1045, name is Oakley.
You're a good boy. Come on, Oakley. This way, Oakley.
Hey.